वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. Six soldiers of Indian Army, now is the time to say no to Narendra Modi's linguistic war. Do not fight against Pakistan. Pakistan is not your enemy. Pakistan will be and is a friendly country for Sikh people and for Khalistan. Once we liberate Punjab, Pakistan will be our neighbor. Sikh soldiers, your enemy is your Indian army. Indian government led by Narendra Modi. Pahalgam Hindu massacre happened. Look at the fact and the truth behind it. Narendra Modi has cut short his Saudi Arabia visit. Did Modi visit Pahalgam? Did Modi attend any Hindu funeral services? No. Modi is in Bihar screaming loudly, seeking votes, saying that they are going to go and find the terrorists.
I say to the whole world, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers. We will pursue them to the ends of the earth.
Who is the terrorist? Who is behind Pahalgam? This is Narendra Modi's government that is behind Pahalgam Hindu massacre. Remember one more thing. Sikhs were the main target. Sikhs were the main target before Pahalgam Hindu massacre. This massacre would have happened on April 13th in Chanapura, Srinagar during Khalsa Sajna Divas. Amit Shah wanted this. Narendra Modi wanted this. But Indian agencies advised them that J.D. Vance may not visit once Sikhs are massacred in Chanapura. And also, there is a global Khalistan referendum campaign going on that we will make and we will boost this Khalistan campaign if Sikhs are massacred in Chanapura. So who became the fodder of this terror? Their own Hindu community. They massacred their own Hindu community. Sikh soldiers, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਜੰਗ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਦੁਸ਼ਮਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. Sikh soldiers, they are using you as a weapon. Do not fight for India. Do not fight against Pakistan that always supports Sikh community, that always support Khalistan.